recipe is rose milkshake. It is a very easy recipe and very delicious. So let's start with it. Let's start with some rose syrup or rose crush. We are making 2 cups of rose milkshake, so take 4 teaspoons. Some Gulkand or sugar and rose petal pickle. It is totally optional. Some sugar for sweetness. Rose essence. 1.5 cups of milk. If you are using ice cream, then use 1.5 cup. If you are not using it, then use 2 cups of milk. Here we are using ice cream, so take 2 scoops. Now blend it until it is smooth. For decorating the glass, pour some rose syrup or rose crush in the glass. Then swirl the glass around. Pour the rose milkshake. Top it with some scum of the milkshake, and our rose milkshake is ready. You can also top it with some rose petals or whipping cream or some ice cream scoops. So if you like the video and the recipe, then give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. So follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Siddha. If you want the ingredients list and the measurements, then see it in the description box down below. Watch my other videos here. Subscribe to my channel here. Stay tuned for other foodie videos. Goodbye and happy cooking.